Hi, my name is LaMaire. I am going to be presenting my final project titled Rona, which I used Sprite Kit for iOS. So Sprite Kit is essentially used for game development. It's used to make 2D and 3D games. Most people use it to make 2D games. There aren't really that many out there utilizing Sprite Kit to make 3D games. Um, Sprite Kit allows you to include physics in your game, such as having weights and including gravity and having objects clank into each other and having the physics so that they can bounce off however you design it to do. It allows for tap interactions from the user. So if they tap the screen, something will happen on the screen and so on. It also allows for rotation interactions. So you can drag your finger across the screen or in a circle and it'll actually rotate an object on the screen. There's built-in animations. You can either utilize the built-in animations, which are essentially just moving objects in straight lines or arcs across the screen, or you can program in a totally custom animation that Sprite Kit will actually turn an object as it's moving this custom trail that you've created instead of just having a static image move along the trail. The approach that I took for learning how to use Sprite Kit was using YouTube videos. I'm very much a visual learner. I don't really like reading to learn that much. I find I grasp information much better through videos. So here's two videos that I thought were extremely useful. This first one really helped me dial in my rotation. I was having an issue where I would try to turn the object one way and it would spin the other. And this one helped me out there, along with the tap gestures, figuring out how to get the ship to move. The second video is a very long video that has a lot of information in it. I was able to use this one mostly for collisions. That seemed to help out a lot with that. Here's a couple other videos that I found very useful when diving into Sprite Kit. This last one here is a Stack Overflow question that was asked, and I'm glad it was. I was having trouble figuring out how to get my ship to wrap when it would fall off of the screen. So if it was moving to the left and it fell off the screen, I couldn't figure out how to get it to pop back on the right side of the screen. And this question really helped with that. I actually did not use any third-party components for this project. And as far as user privacy concerns, I feel like the end user doesn't have anything to be concerned with because this Sprite Kit is used for gaming mostly. And now on to the demo. Alright, so here's the game running in the simulator. You can see I can rotate the ship, and if I click, it'll start moving in the direction that the ship is pointed. It moves very slow, but it moves, I promise you. And then when it gets hit by those little virus things, it loses lives.